हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू प्रायशेजू। स्टूडेंट, आज हम सीखेंगे क्लास 5 इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में जो हमारी 13th पोएम है द एडवेंचर ऑफ गुलिवर, जिसमें आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स देखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस शॉर्ट नोट ऑन। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। लेकिन इसके पहले स्टूडेंट, मेरी आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, फॉर मोर वीडियोस, वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स काइंडली विजिट एट www.prasheju.com। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। फर्स्ट है यहाँ पे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज हु ट्राइड गेट अप फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड एंड द आंसर इज गुलिवर गेट अप फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड। Next one is what did Gulliver saw by turning his eyes down? And the answer is Gulliver saw by turning his eyes as much as he can, and he saw a man. The man was not half a foot high. Next one is how Gulliver get food to eat? And the answer is 100 men climbed up onto Gulliver's body and step up to his mouth to carry food. Next one is who were no longer afraid of Gulliver, and the answer is the Lilliputians were no longer afraid of Gulliver. Next question है how was the bread which Gulliver eaten, and the answer is the bread was as small as the bullets which Gulliver eaten. Next one is what happened at the platform, and the answer is a platform was raised and an important looking man gave a long speech. Next question है what the important looking man trying to tell in his speech, and the answer is the important looking man trying to tell that they were no harm to Gulliver. Next question is what was the cart made up of, and the answer is the great cart is made up by joining many cart. Next question है how many men worked and for how many hours to shift Gulliver to cart, and how many horses are used for the cart? And the answer is there were 900 men worked 3 hours to shift Gulliver to cart, and the cart was drawn by 1500 of king's finest horses. Next one is how many horses did the city away, and how many hours did journey took? And the answer is the city was just half a mile away and the journey took almost a full day. Next one है what did the king do after Gulliver cart reached to city of king, and the answer is the king came out to meet Gulliver. The king came near and looked at Gulliver, but the king thought not safe to climb up on Gulliver's body. Next question है what was seen at the place where the Gulliver cart stopped, and the answer is it was an old church which was the largest building in the whole country and had not been used as a church for many years. Next one है how the door on the north, and the answer is the great door on the north was 4 feet high and 2 feet wide. Next question है what did the king and his people convince to Gulliver, and the answer is the king and his people convinced to Gulliver not to harm them. Next question is what did the Gulliver saw, and the answer is the Gulliver saw the queen and some of the princes, and they were greatly pleased by my visit. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे शॉर्ट नोट ऑन, एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डिड द गुलिवर फाउंड आफ्टर ही ट्राई टू गेट अप, and the answer is Gulliver tried to get up from the ground and he cannot move. He was lying on his back. He found that his arms and feet were held down to the ground with strings. His hair, which was long, was held down in the same way. Thousands of strings had been passed across his body so that he could not move any part of me but could only lie there on his back looking up at the sky. Next question है what happened after pulling hard and Gulliver got his arm up from ground, And the answer is, after pulling very hard, the Gulliver got one arm up from the ground. He raised his head. This gave him a great pain, for many of the hairs were pulled out. He put out his hand to catch some of the little men, but they ran away before he could close his hand on them. Then Gulliver heard a noise and felt a prickling in his hand like that of 1,000 needles. He found that they were shooting arrows at her. He was afraid for his eyes, so he put his hand on his face. He thought that the wisest thing. Next question is, describe Gulliver's home in Lilliput. And the answer is, Gulliver's home was an old church which was unused church. It was the largest building in the whole country. The great door on the north was 4 feet high and 2 feet wide. The country outside was looked like a garden. Next question is, how was Gulliver taken to city? And the answer is, the Gulliver was taken to city by the great cart made by joining many carts. The cart was drawn by 1,500 of the king's finest horses. 900 men worked for 3 hours to put the Gulliver in the cart. The city was just half a mile away, but the journey took almost a full day. Next question is, describe Gulliver's walk around the city. And the answer is, when Gulliver started to walk, all people were ordered to remain in their house. Gulliver, after being set free, he stepped over the wall and went very carefully towards the 2 long streets. He saw that all the peoples were looking from the window to see Gulliver. People were standing at the top of their houses. Gulliver saw the king's house, which was at the place where the 2 largest streets met each other and had a beautiful garden all the sides. Gulliver lay down and put his eye to the windows. The rooms inside is very big and beautiful, and in that room the Gulliver saw a queen and some of young princes. They were charmed with his visit. सो स्टूडेंट, ये थे एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर जो हमने आपके लिए तैयार किए हैं. तो स्टूडेंट, अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. सो स्टूडेंट, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.